I am here at 2331 North 73rd Terrace. So this is coming in the front door here. So here you've got the mirror wall. And then the living room. So you can see here on the floor where the flooring doesn't match. And that's where the stairs used to be. So they covered that up. If somebody wanted to, they could, uncover that and use those stairs again. But there's where the stairs used to be to the basement. And this wall, I would say, is possibly some type of flooring. Kind of looks like some DIY projects here. You've got pink paint, which, some people might want to change. There is a closet here. Here's the hall bath. Looks like it's got the original wood windows. And again, kind of some DIY going on here, like with this floor. It's like they taped over tile. So I don't know why. I don't know what shape the tile's in under there. I don't know if they just didn't like the color. It may be more of this brown color. But this here that you see is like a tape or wallpaper. So here's the first bedroom. And again, kind of similar thing they did here with possibly some wallpaper or some type of sticky paper in the closet. So same thing with the floors in here. There is a linen closet. Here's bedroom 2. This is the smallest of the 3. It's still okay size. I know sometimes on video it, it looks a little bit smaller than it really is. And here is bedroom 3. This is a pretty good size room. And again, you can see kind of the sticky that they put on the closet doors here. So they must have really liked that pattern. So again, living room, there's the front door where I came in. Here you've got the dining room. Fireplace does not look like it is functional. I'm not sure. It's, they probably took out, maybe had an insert. Looks like these could be like gas logs potentially. But as of right now, it's just for looks. Then here is the backyard. It is fenced with a chain link fence. There's the air conditioner. They did not know the age of the HVAC. That door there is in the garage. Here is the kitchen. Not sure if there was a door there. They could potentially be using it for a trash can. Does have nice granite countertops. Here is the garage. There's a little attic access there. There's that door that I pointed out when I was outside. And then here is the basement. There's no light bulbs in here, so it may be a little dark. I apologize for that. So we've got concrete walls down here and then carpet. There does look to be some type of settling going on. I don't know how well you can see it on the video, but this kind of slopes down and this does the same. So this here kind of looks like a low spot. There's those stairs that were in the living room. So again, if you wanted to, remove that flooring up there, those could easily be opened back up. They are still there. So it looks like a couple foundation cracks here were patched. I'm no foundation expert, but those don't look concerning to me because they are flat. This one over here looks a little more concerning, so I'll point that out. Yeah, so this one is not as flat, so it looks like it could be a little more settlement in this area. And then there is some other cracks that have been patched at some point in time here that look, fairly minor. Got your furnace. It looks to be a little bit older. They did say everything works. They just don't know the age. Okay, so that carpet is water heater. See if there is a light. There is. Okay, so here's the laundry here. Okay, and then here is the front of the house. And here's the neighborhood. All the houses look to be in pretty similar condition. And that concludes this tour.